Recently, I've purchased an Origin PC Evo14-S from eBay. I understand that if I'm not purchasing it directly from Origin, I may lose the warranty. But anyway, because it always claims that the Origin PCs are all assembled in US, so I've quite confident on it, and I buy it. But now I found that I'm really regret, all because it's not only out of warranty, but I found that the claim assembled in US is not the case. Well, you can check that the PH4A QF1 on Google. If you Google it a little bit, you can see that actually the machine is not really designed and assembled in US. You can see that it's from a company in China called TongFang, TongFong. All the parts in the machine and the case of the machine are actually made in China. And you can see that, well, with this code, the PH4AUX2 or the PH4AQF1, you can see that there is one more company in Germany using the whole machine as OEM and sell it directly. So it's not really designed and assembled by Origin PC. Now, parts from China, and even the case, you can see that, yeah, here. So if you claim that it's assembled but not made in China, it's really a misleading thing. I disassembled it all because the keyboard is not working. Some keys of the keyboard is not working, and I can check with the part number to get it from the China manufacturer. So, well, don't buy it.